I'm scrolling Facebook the other day and I see a question from one of the prepping groups I'm in. The question was, what exactly happens in the event our dollar crashes? I thought about it and I asked myself, what would happen if the US dollar suddenly collapsed? So, what would happen if the dollar crashed? Is it even possible? Between 1929 and 1939, the United States was gripped by the Great Depression. The Great Depression was caused by the collapse of the stock market, government policies, bank failures, and the collapse of the money supply. The United States experienced widespread homelessness, joblessness, and poverty. To save money, families neglected medical and dental care, and despite a steep decline in food prices, many families did without milk or meat. By October 1929, the stock market had dropped by nearly 31%. If it happened today, the United States would be in even worse shape. Homelessness would become an even larger problem than it already is. Housing and infrastructure would suffer quickly. First hit would be already neglected lower income neighborhoods, with wealthy neighborhoods following soon after. The grocery stores that weren't forced to close their doors would have mostly empty shelves. Riots and looting would be commonplace until there was nothing left to loot. Hospitals would not be able to care for patients and gas stations would run out of fuel. Cities would feel the pain quicker than rural areas. Desperation would turn people against each other and violence would become the new norm. The fact is, we could be facing this scenario in the near future.